Unveiling the truth. Affiliate marketing with AI tools in 2025. You've seen the headlines. Make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing using AI. Sounds like a dream, right? But what's hype and what's real? Look, I get it. Everyone's talking about AI these days, and it seems like every other YouTube ad is promising you can get rich quick using AI for affiliate marketing. But let's be real for a second, you guys. There's no such thing as easy money. In this video, I'm diving into the truth about using AI tools in affiliate marketing. The good, the bad, and the real strategies that are actually working in 2025. I'm going to break down exactly how AI can help you level up your affiliate game, but I'm also going to call out the BS and show you how to avoid getting scammed. We're going to look at real case studies, real numbers, and I'm going to give you actionable steps that you can implement right now. Okay, so before we dive into the AI side of things, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what affiliate marketing actually is. At its core, it's about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale or lead you generate. You find a product you love, you recommend it to your audience, and if they buy it through your unique affiliate link, you get a cut of the profit. Simple, right? But here's the thing, the game has changed. It's not just about slapping banner ads on a website anymore. Today, it's about building trust, providing value, and creating genuine connections with your audience. And that's where AI comes in. AI tools are transforming how content is created, how traffic is generated, and how we track performance. They're giving affiliate marketers like you and me superpowers, but only if you know how to use them correctly. Let's clear the air. AI isn't a magic money machine. It's not going to build a six-figure business for you overnight. You put in the work, you get the results. But when used right, AI becomes a powerful productivity booster. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working for you 24/7, helping you get more done in less time. So, how are affiliate marketers actually using AI today? Let's break it down. Number one, content creation. AI can help you generate blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, you name it. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Koala Writer are total game changers for this. Imagine being able to pump out high-quality content in a fraction of the time it used to take you. Number two, SEO research. Finding low-competition keywords is crucial for getting your content seen, but it can be a tedious process. AI tools like Surfer SEO, Ahrefs with its AI add-ons, and Phrase can help you uncover hidden gems and analyze search intent faster than ever before. Number three, email marketing. Building an email list is one of the most important things you can do as an affiliate marketer, and AI can help you write converting email sequences in seconds. Tools like Copy.ai and MailerLite AI are lifesavers for this. And number four, automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks like auto-scheduling posts, creating workflows, and even responding to customer inquiries. Zapier, Notion AI, and ChatGPT plugins are your new best friends here. Now I know this might sound overwhelming, but the key is to start small. Pick one or two tools that address your biggest pain points and experiment. You don't need to use every single AI tool out there to be successful. Now, before you run off and start using every AI tool under the sun, we need to talk about some of the myths and misconceptions floating around. Because, let's be real, there's a lot of hype out there, and I want to make sure you don't fall for it. Myth number one, AI can run your entire affiliate business on autopilot. This is one of the biggest misconceptions out there. While AI can automate certain tasks and make your life easier, it's not a magic button that will make you money while you sleep. You still need to be involved in the process, from choosing the right products to promote to creating engaging content that converts. Myth number two, all AI content ranks on Google. Look, Google is getting smarter every day. They know when content is just regurgitated AI fluff, and they're not afraid to penalize websites that use it. Just because you can generate a 10,000-word blog post in 5 minutes doesn't mean it's going to rank on page 1. You still need to focus on creating high-quality, original content that provides value to your audience. And myth number 3, you can copy-paste and instantly make money. Affiliate marketing takes work, guys. You need to build trust with your audience, provide value, and be patient. There's no such thing as overnight success. Don't believe the hype. Alright, now that we've debunked some of the myths, let's talk about how you can actually use AI effectively in your affiliate marketing strategy. I'm going to walk you through a realistic workflow that uses AI the right way. We're going to call this the AI blog funnel strategy. Here's how it works. Step 1. Use ChatGPT and Surfer SEO to create a comprehensive blog post targeting a long-tail keyword. Let's say your niche is podcasting. You could write a post about the best budget microphones for podcasters. Step 2. Once you've written your blog post, go through and naturally insert your affiliate links. You could link to microphones on Amazon, or you could partner with a niche brand that offers affiliate programs. Step 3. Repurpose your blog post into other forms of content. You could create Instagram carousels highlighting different microphones, film a TikTok reviewing your top pick, or even turn the whole thing into a YouTube video. Canva and AI script tools can help you with this. Step 4. Add an email opt-in to your blog post using ConvertKit or a similar tool. Offer a lead magnet like a free checklist or ebook that's relevant to your audience. You can use AI to help you create this lead magnet as well. And step 5. Track your clicks and conversions using Pretty Links or Bitly. This will help you see what's working and what's not, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Okay, but you don't just have to take my word for it. Let's look at how real creators are using AI to crush it with affiliate marketing. Case study number 1. A fitness blogger was struggling to keep up with content creation. They started using Koala Writer to produce 5 SEO-optimized blog posts per week. Within 3 months, their traffic had grown by 200%, and they were generating consistent affiliate sales from their product reviews. Case study number 2. A solo entrepreneur wanted to start a YouTube channel reviewing software tools, but hated being on camera. They used ChatGPT to script their videos, focusing on long-tail keywords, and included affiliate links in their descriptions. Within 6 months, they were making $3,000 per month in affiliate commissions. And case study number 3. An Instagram influencer was tired of spending hours writing captions. They started using Jasper to auto-generate engaging captions for their posts and used their link in bio to promote relevant products. Their conversion rates skyrocketed, and they were able to scale their affiliate income significantly. These are just a few examples of how real people are using AI to level up their affiliate marketing game. The possibilities are endless. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a few words of caution. While AI can be incredibly powerful, there are also some pitfalls you need to be aware of. Pitfall number 1. Relying 100% on AI-generated content with no editing. Remember, Google values originality and quality. Always edit and fact-check any content that AI generates for you. Pitfall number 2. Promoting too many unrelated products. Focus on a niche and stick to it. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Pitfall number 3. Skipping keyword research. Just because you're using AI doesn't mean you can ignore keyword research. In fact, it's more important than ever to make sure you're targeting the right keywords. Pitfall number 4. Not building an email list. Your email list is your most valuable asset as an affiliate marketer. Don't neglect it. And pitfall number 5. Not disclosing your affiliate links. This is a big no-no, both legally and ethically. Be transparent with your audience and let them know when you're using affiliate links. So there you have it. AI is a game changer for affiliate marketers, but only if you treat it like a teammate, not a robot CEO. It's a tool that can help you work smarter, not harder, but it's not a magic bullet. Affiliate marketing still takes effort, strategy, and consistency. You need to be willing to put in the work, test different approaches, and adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. But with the right AI tools in your stack, you can streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and ultimately achieve your affiliate marketing goals faster than ever before. So, are you ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level with AI? Don't be scared to experiment, guys. Try out different tools, see what works for you, and remember to have fun with it. The more you enjoy the process, the more successful you'll be. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on building a successful online business. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what AI tools you're most excited to try out. I'm always looking for new recommendations. All right, I'll see you in the next video.